Hello friends, my name is Mukund and welcome to my YouTube channel Money Drizzle. This is the first video of my channel. Let me tell you in brief about myself. I am an investor, trader in stock market. I am studying and doing research on Indian stocks since 2007. I have a great passion for stock market and my dream was to earn money from stock market by investing and trading and treat it as a business, and so now I am. During January 2020, global markets were badly affected due to COVID-19. In this pandemic of COVID-19, all sorts of businesses were closed during the period of lockdown, but only stock market was not closed. Let us now see what happened in the stock market from January 2020 till date. We will go through the charts of the companies that are listed in the stock market from various sectors. This is the chart of Reliance Industries Limited. Look at the chart. Before the spread of COVID-19, Reliance was trending smoothly in upward direction. See here. After that, what happened? When COVID-19 started to spread each and every part of the world, Indian markets too started to fall. See on the chart of Reliance. Let me zoom in. Reliance made a low of rupees 875 rupees on 23rd of March 2020. Let's take a look of the Nifty chart. Nifty 2 made a low of rupees 7,512 rupees on 24th of March 2020. Again, we'll go back to the Reliance chart. After that, the bulls took the steering in hand and driven the market. See how the candles breach all the lines, all the levels, making higher highs and giving entry at many points. Everybody knows in the stock market that catching the bottom or the top of any stock chart is difficult or next to impossible. But with proper technical analysis, study and observation of market trend, candle formation, emotion of traders and investors, proper indicators and entry and exit level or method, we can achieve it. Following all this method, here our entry would have been at the formation of this candle and the close of this candle, say near around 1072 rupees, with a stop loss of the close of this previous green candle, that is 946 rupees. We would have entered here at this candle. When it breached the brown line, the red line, for a few days it was in range bound and again took the support of these lines and again it was in uptrend. See here, at this level the market was in little bit corrective mode. Again it took the support of this purple line and again it continued the uptrend. The question arises about the exit. We would have exited our trade here at this level because it failed to breach this level. We would have exited say around near 2360 rupees. So let's calculate this one. See the calculation of this profitable trade. For example, invested amount rupees 1 lakh at the entry price of rupees 1072 rupees. The number of shares would have been 93. Exit at 2360 rupees. Net profit of 1288 per share. Multiplying it by the total quantity share what we have bought, then profit would have been 1,19,784 rupees. In the percentage, it would have been 119.78%. money literally drizzled into this trade. Any financial scheme into this world will not give such type of profit or returns on the investment, and that too in a short span of just 6 months. That is from 25th of March 2020 to 16th of September 2020. Let's take a look at our next chart, that is Hero MotoCorp. Hero MotoCorp made a low of rupees 1475. See here, on 24th of March 2020. Again the point is that where we would have entered here, our entry would have been at this candle, that is the close of this candle, which has breached the brown line, the red line. The close of this candle was 1775 rupees. We would have entered here with a stop loss of rupees 1589, the close of this red candle. See now what happened here. It has breached all the indicator lines and today also it is an uptrend and took the support of the indicator lines whenever it was in range bound. See, it took the support of these lines and it continued its uptrend, and as of now it is following its trend. Again the question arises, our exit. We would have exited at this level. Let's calculate our profitable trade. See the calculation of this trade. Again here the investment amount rupees 1 lakh at the entry price of rupees 1775 rupees. The number of shares that we would have bought 56. Exit at 3140 and entry at 1775 rupees. The profit per share would have been 1365. Multiplying it by the total number of shares 56, the amount will come out is 76,440 rupees. The net profit in percentage 76.44%. Again there are no such financial schemes that will achieve such money drizzling profit. So guys, hope you like the video. There are many examples that I am willing to show you on the chart, but the video would be too lengthy. Lots more to come in the next video. For that, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notification of the next money drizzling videos. Thank you. Stay tuned, stay blessed.